Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Head coach of Mount Pleasant Academy, Theodore Whitmore, says that they will not be taking too much from their group stage win over Universidad O&M FC going into their first leg final in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup this evening in the Dominican Republic. Mount Pleasant were 2-0 winners when the teams met in September at the group stage of the competition.
This is a final. We don't want to look on the games that we play amongst each other already. No. It's a different game. The focus, the mentality, everything has to be different. It's a final, everybody wants it. So the mindset has to be different.
It has not been the best preparation for Mount Pleasant due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa, which saw football being put on hold for over a month. But Coach Whitmore says they are in the right place mentally.
The objective remains the same. We're chasing history, with the club. So I think mentally we are there.
The second leg of final will be played at the National Stadium next week Tuesday, with the winner over the two legs being crowned champions. The Jamaica Scorpions will seek their first win in the Regional Super 50 Cup when they face leaders Barbados Pride on Tuesday afternoon at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad. The Scorpions' bid to qualify for the final of the tournament took a huge blow when their second game of 3 was abandoned due to rain on Sunday at the Sir Frank Worrell ground in Trinidad. No play was possible against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes due to rain. The Scorpions had lost their second game by 75 runs to hosts Trinidad, while their opening game against the Guyana Harpy Eagles had ended in a no result due to rain. The Scorpions' only points so far have come from their 2 abandoned games, leaving them at the foot of the 16 table on 4 points. Barbados Pride are atop the table on 27 points, while the Windward Islands Volcanoes are second on 15 points. Jamaican bobsleigh is celebrating an historic gold medal at the North American Cup after the 4-man sled team of Shane Pitter, Andre Dacres, Junior Harris, and former national 100-meter champion Taekwondo Tracy raced to victory in Whistler on Monday. The quartet put together a combined time of 1 minute 45.88 seconds to take the gold ahead of Canada, who clocked a minute 46.19 for second. Tracy reflected on their performance.
I just want to say, without these guys, I wouldn't be at first place. We wouldn't be at first place. So I'm really happy. And it was more of a focus thing for me. So I just try to focus on my line as best as possible. And that's when I actually get the goal.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry Simpson. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.